Alright, we're back at the home maintenance again, and we're back here at the water meter. And if you'd like to check your house for leaks, see if you've got any leaks inside, pretty easy way to do it. Okay, so find out where your meter is. Usually, certainly if you're living in Australia, it's going to be at the front of your house at ground level. If it's a house, if it's an apartment, it might be different. Okay, go and find where it is, and find your meter reading. So I had to dig around a bit, but mine's in there. You can see it. The number's there. Okay, and your last number, your last number I think is 1/10 of a litre. So the last number there, I don't know how well that's going to show up, but the last number is 1/10 of a litre. So what you want to do is go inside your house and turn everything off. All your appliances, fixtures and fittings and all that, turn them off and leave it for about an hour. So don't use any water, don't flush any toilets or get a glass of water or anything. So just leave it completely undisturbed, and then come back after that time, make a note of what that meter reading is, come back and have a look. If it's moving, you've either got something that's running that you haven't realised, or you've got a leak. Okay, so you need to further investigate. Now you might lose tiny little bits of water, so you might have things like your hot water cylinder that may have maybe dripping hot water out the other side, out the relief, but pretty much you should be at zero water usage, and if it's running, especially if it's constantly running and you've gone inside, gone around to every fixture and fitting and made sure that everything's turned off and you've got it running, you've probably got a leak somewhere. Okay, so you might want to call a plumber or try and identify it yourself. Look for any water dripping, anything that's moist, any mold that wasn't there before, any hissing sounds or anything like that. Okay, that's how to check for any leaks inside your house, or to work out whether there could be a leak inside your house, is to go and find your meter. Good idea to know where your meter is anyway, just in case water goes bang in the middle of the night, or any time really, and you need to race out and turn it off. Okay, straight down to here. I've already made a video about that. Straight down to here, turn it off to the right angle. That's water off. Water back on is back in line. Okay, now when I moved into this house, this thing here was snapped off. It only had about half of that left, and you needed a pair of pliers to turn the water off. So I rang my water authority, got them out to repair it. So they came out, put a new handle on it so that it's functioning now. Water off, okay, water back on. Pretty simple. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.